Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a makeup therapy video. I just wanted to get in a more creative space and I just feel like I never do colors. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos from me, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how to get this look or if you want to just do your makeup with me, then please stay tuned. Hey guys, I know this is my first time coming on and speaking, but I got sent these bronzers by this company called Vesca Beauty. They are introducing their Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. It says it's a velvety smooth bronzing powder delivering comfortable, sun-kissed warmth to the face and body. Give your skin a healthy glow with this ultra blendable formula that leaves a soft, matte, skin-like finish. All those are words that I like to hear with my bronzers. So they let me pick 2 shades. So I got the shades Maldives and Bali, 2 places that I need to go ASAP. ASAP after this. Well, you know, when everything's over. By the way, guys, it's a really crazy time that we're living in right now. And I want to make this video to kind of get my head in a good space because it's a lot to take in. People dying, a lot of people dying every day. It's very sad and it's very traumatic, and to know that people are dying alone, like when they go to the hospital, if their symptoms get worse and worse, they have to be separated from their family. So it's like, yeah, but please stay home, okay? Like, I feel like that's the worst way to die, and well, not the worst, but okay, I'm rambling now, but please stay home. Anyways, I got sent these two shades, Maldives and Bali. So I'm gonna show you guys. This one is Maldives and this one is Bali. So as you can see, this one is a lot warmer in tone, and this one is a lot cooler. So I wanted one that was gonna warm my face, and I wanted one that was gonna give me a good contour. So I felt like these were two good shades to get. Ooh, they smell so good. They smell like cocoa butter almost, but nothing too strong or anything. They smell really like tropical, which is nice. So I'm gonna start off with the Maldives shade, which is just a lot warmer in tone, and I'm gonna use a fluffy blending brush because that's what they said to use on the little information package, as opposed to my regular bronzer brush. But I wanted something a little bit more fluffy because that's what they recommend. So I'm gonna dip it in. Ooh. So it picks up a lot, so you don't need a lot at all. When I tell you guys, this stuff smells so good. Ooh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. I really like this. It's really pretty, and it has like a really soft matte texture. So now I'm gonna use the shade Bali, and I'm gonna contour my face with this, and here's where I'm gonna use my other brush because I want it to be more defined. So and that's that. They smell so good. But look at how that like really defined. I love that the colors don't look too red. They just look like a really, like, I naturally got a little tan, you know? Very nice. Also, yeah, I got Invisalign. I've had them for, when did I get them? I want to say in July. So I've had them I had them over a course of 8 weeks, and then I felt like they weren't straight enough, so I wanted to do more. So I had another 6 weeks, and you know, with everything going on, I can't go to the dentist and get more trays right now, so I'm just keeping the last trays in. But yeah, if you guys want me to film a video on my experience with Invisalign, I can do that too, because yeah, it's definitely not for everybody. That's what I've realized. I got my sister on it. She doesn't really like it as much. And then my cousin has it as well, but like for different people, it works differently. So anyways, I'm rambling again. Let me just get back into the makeup. wow, I actually had a lot of fun doing this. Yeah, I never play in color, so this was really fun. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.